Hello, Kumars. Gawa tayong meatball spaghetti. So, I have pork, onion, parsley, carrot, and onion. What's that? Garlic.
Garlic.
Maybe odd. Pepper. Paprika. A lot. Salt.
Can I help?
Yeah.
Can I help, Mom?
Yeah, breadcrumbs. 2 more. Okay, 1,
Two.
2. That's an egg.
I can.
Egg. Let's add Worcestershire sauce. Then mix. We need 1 more egg. Ganyan na, Kumars. So, gawin natin. Gawa tayo ng bilog-bilog. Ganyan lang. We will fry it.
Where's the meat?
Meatballs. Yan yung sauce. So, spaghetti sauce lang yan. Ibalik natin yung meatballs. Okay, yan. Okay, tapos na. Ilagyan ko ng sauce yung konti, yung pasta. So, yan guys. Lagyan natin ng parmesan. Got your meatballs. Ciao!